Do and don'ts driving car in heavy rain. Point number 1. Better avoid going out if not necessary. Point number 2. Turn on car wipers because sometimes we forget to on car wipers. Point number 3. Turn on projector lights because on rainy days the visibility is very poor. Point number 4. Try to drive in the middle lane because water usually collects on the sides of road. Number 5. Slow down your car for easy car braking. Speed limit 20 to 40 km per hour. Number 6. Use front and rear defogger for better visibility. Number 7. Notice heavy vehicles and try not to follow them and keep distance. Number 8. Avoid cruise control because in rainy days you need to be more alert. Number 9. Avoid instant brake because car tire slips on wet road. Number 10. Maintain distance. Maintain distance from other vehicles to avoid accident. Number 11. Avoid puddles in standing water if possible. Change the route. Number 11. Turn on cabin lights for better visibility. Number 12. Check tire condition before planning a long trek on heavy rain. Number 13. Wear shoes. Try to avoid slippers and keep your shoes dry. So drive slow and keep safe. Thanks for watching my video. Please share and like my channel.